Hi, this video was created for those who want to know more about RemoteView. In this video, we will show you how to install the product and how to get connected. So, without any further delay, let's get to it. RemoteView is made of two parts, the web console side and remote devices side. In the web console side, you will need to visit ans.rview.com and install the launcher. This will be prompted to be downloaded on your first visit. In the remote devices side, you will need to install a small program or app depending on the device and configure it to be added to the account. To start, you will need to first log in to the web console. You can use any browser of your preference. Just go to ans.rview.com, enter your company ID, user ID and password to log in. If you are successfully logged in, the service will check if you have the launcher installed. If not, it will prompt to do it, so just follow the instruction and refresh the page when done. Also, every time a user logs into the web console, it checks for updates to make sure that all files are up to date. After this, you will be presented with the list of devices available on your account. Some might be in gray color, which means it is offline, or blue if online. Internet connection is the basic requirement for the service. But, how do we add a device to the account? Simply install the agent program or app to the remote device. If the remote device is a PC, there are two ways to install the agent. First, open ans.rview.com from the remote PC, log in and press Add PC to install the agent. During the installation, you will be prompted to enter the password used to log into the web console and then create an access ID and password, which is an added security to access this device in particular. The other way is to generate an installer file. From any PC, log in to ans.rview.com and press Generate Installer button from the top menu. In the pop-up window, set the access ID, password and file expiration. Then, press the Generate Agent Installation File button to download the installer. Take this file to the remote PC and just run it to install the agent program. Note that the file name of the installer must not be changed. Thanks for watching this video and contact us to the email below for any question.